Alright, today I'm going to teach you 11.4. This is dealing with the actual name of this lesson. Let me look at it. It is join and separate angles. So first what's going to happen is it's going to do something like this. So that's an angle, and then it shows here. And it says that this is like a 44, and this is... Actually, let me erase this. And this is a 53, and it wants to know what that is. All you have to do for the first part of this lesson is add the 2 degrees up. So I'm going to add those and get 97. So this total, they want to know that is 97. So for instance, if they have one that goes like this, and then they have this, and they say, well, this one right here is 26, and this one is 82. I would just do 82 plus 26 and get 108. So this total, they want to know the total, which is 108. So that would be 108. The second part of this lesson is where it gets a little harder. So we're dealing actually with a protractor. Let me erase that. So if I have this protractor, I'm going to make it a little smaller, and then I take and I draw a circle. I have my midpoint, and I do this type thing. And I know these aren't going to be perfectly straight, but I'm going to take my protractor, and remember, my middle is the point. And then I would rotate this protractor, which is harder for me to do in this. But I would rotate it so my 0 line, which is right here, would line up with one of those, and then that would come and line up on the other side and get me like this one's probably close to 140, and then I just flip it, and I wish this was better to see, but I would flip it, and so the 0 line could line up with one of these, and then we'd get the other. The biggest thing that a student has to remember here is that the protractor needs to, or this whole circle, the degree of a circle as a whole would be 360 degrees. So whatever you're adding up here, so if it's 100 and this is 140 and this is 100, well, that's 240. I know the remainder of 240 minus 360 is 80. So it all has to add up to 360 degrees. This will be my picture for this lesson. So that's the biggest thing, is they have to be able to use a protractor to add up to 360 degrees. So this is Mr. Rouse teaching 11.4. Have a great day.